Hey everybody, it's Gabe Killing here, and today I'm going to give you my Udimi solo ads review. Plus, I want to give you a discount code so that you can start promoting your products and building your list right away. But first, let me go ahead and give you your discounts. So first one you go to is gabekilling.com/Udimi, and that's your standard membership discount. And then the one below it is gabekilling.com/Prime, and that's for your Prime discount. I'll explain more of what all that is later on in the video. Also, don't forget to download my free millionaire blueprint. Again, all these you'll find in the description below. And as an even better bonus, I want to give you my personal list of sellers that I use to promote my products online. And these guys I've had amazing results with. So I want to share that with you. So let's move on. Udimi is one of the highest rated solo ads websites online and serves thousands of marketers daily. Okay, so what's good about Udimi? First of all, it's simple. Simply add your landing page or affiliate link, and they do the rest. Udimi will also store your landing page link for all future campaigns. Second of all, good communication. Communication between you and the seller is easy and it's important. Simply message your seller and await a reply. I write every single one of my sellers to see if my product fits with what they're trying to promote. This way I get all their recommendations and then I get a full insight of how their campaign is going to run. They have a click filter. They used a sophisticated click filter that weeds out potential bad clicks or fake clicks or bots or any of the above. This ensures you're getting your money's worth. So if you pay, let's say, $150 for 350 clicks, you're going to know that those clicks are going to be from good sources. They have a social network. Udimi provides you with a social network in like a friend system that allows you to connect with buyers and sellers alike. Add your favorite seller as a friend and or favorite them for future use. They work great with ClickBank. Udimi also integrates pretty well with ClickBank offers and other affiliate type products. So if you're going to promote like a ClickBank product, a lot of times it's better to create your own landing page so you can capture email addresses and information like that. But you can just, if you want, just simply send your traffic over to the affiliate offers landing page. It works great. Free landing page editor and integration. You don't have a landing page? No problem, because they have a free landing page builder and it's super easy to use. You'll never have to worry. On top of all this, I didn't add this into the screen, but they also have a mobile app. So I'm always on the go, right? And I need to, sometimes I get a hankering just to buy an ad. I'll be like, you know what, this is a good time to buy one. So I just get on my mobile app and I find a seller that I want to use and I select them and pay for it right there and then from my phone. And then next thing you know, clicks happen. Okay, so while there's not a lot of disadvantage with Udimi, there's a few points of concern that I want to point out. One is list freshness. Most often you get fresh, warm subscribers, but sometimes the sellers have been like overused and abused their list over time. This can be solved by contacting them and inquiring about it. Say, hey, I'm looking to get fresh subscribers. I don't want a list that's been used over and over and over for the same product. Also, sometimes if their stats are not good, that's a good indication you want to stay away. If people report sales, then you're probably safe. Sometimes I like using the newer sellers just because the chances are their list might be a little bit fresher than someone who has thousands of sales. Secondly, it's not as controlled. Ads like Bing, AdWords, Facebook provide a great amount of control when which is kind of like lacking in solo ads. Solo ads, you kind of have to put your faith in the seller that they're going to make a good email copy. And when you're using pay-per-click ads like Facebook ads, you put all the information and you build the ad. So you lose a little bit of control there. The good news is sometimes you'll get a better email marketer than you are who has a list full of hungry buyers. Udimi best practices. These are some of the things I do so I know that I'm getting the most out of my money. So first off, bigger isn't always better. Sometimes the newer sellers have fresher email lists or are just new. Don't penalize them for just because they don't have 3,456 positive reviews. I've gotten many buyers this way, and it's really expanded my email list. Sometimes there's some really great marketers out there. They just might start using this platform for the first time. So try them out. Sometimes you get really lucky with a few. More expensive isn't always better. Yes, this sometimes holds true, but I've had great luck with sellers who sell at discounts too. Look for made sales. If a seller is getting reviews where they're reporting making sales, that means that your seller is doing a great job, and they'll probably emulate that with you. Use tier 1 traffic option. So when you go to buy clicks, there'll be a space where you can choose top tier or tier 1. Top tier 1 means that you're getting your ads delivered in English speaking countries. If the clicks come from someone who can't understand what you're selling, then it's likely a waste of money, right? This option costs a little bit more, but it's definitely worth it. However, if the seller already promotes mainly top tier traffic, you may want to save a few bucks. Some of the promoters out there, some of the sellers, they only do top tier traffic. So in which case, if you added that option, then that would be a complete waste. Read buyer reviews. The best way to gauge how your ad will turn out is to look at what other people are saying. Udimi reviews provide a good insight and can help you save a lot of money. In addition to that, you want to yourself provide your user review. So every time you review, well, not every time, but most times you give someone a review, you'll get a $5 discount for every time you give your input. So this is another way you can go and save money when doing a solo ad. So earlier I said I was going to talk about what Udimi Prime is. So let's go into a little bit about what all Udimi Prime entails. So the first benefit of Prime is you get your own membership site. So with this, it allows you to create landing pages, gives you analytics, add text, images, and everything you need. Plus it hosts your landing page for free, which is kind of cool. The next benefit is a click filter upgrade. So the basic click filter is actually pretty decent. So I don't know how it elaborates on top of this, but apparently the click filter upgrade is a lot better. And so you're not going to waste a whole lot of money. I mean, nobody wants to waste money, right? So that's one of the benefits that comes along with this. On top of that, you're going to make more money as a Udimi affiliate. Udimi affiliates get a higher commission rate, and along with all the other Prime benefits you get. Everybody likes discounts and freebies. So as a Prime member, you are twice as likely to get a discount when you post a rating. In addition to all that, any discounts you won will automatically be applied to your next purchase. You don't have to remember to manually add them. So one thing about that, so I use the Udimi mobile app a lot, and it doesn't, the discount button doesn't pop up when you do that. So as a Prime member, you don't have to worry about that. It's just already going to add that in for you. So while not a real benefit to buyers, if you're a solo ad seller, this allows you to check out your profile stats so you can see the kind of engagement that's happening and how you can improve it to improve your visibility to potential buyers. So along with all the other benefits that come along with Prime, of course, they're going to throw in enhanced support and new features. So if you're if you write a support ticket, or if you're having an issue or anything else like that, supposedly if you're a Prime member, you're going to get front row service as opposed to having to wait a little bit longer to get your customer support. I don't see the huge benefit in this, but I could see if you're if you're spending a lot of money on this, how getting a quick response would be very, very important. Okay, so when looking for solo ad sellers, this is the kind of the screen you'll see when you're going to pick a solo ad. So over on the left, you have your profile, how long ago they were on. In the center, you have their name, and then they're going to give you their pitch and what kind of traffic they get and what kind of niches they work within. And over on the right, you have the cost per click, the average amount of people who get sales. So let's say the top guy, it says 25%. So 25% of all the people that buy his ads make sales. So obviously the higher number, the more sales. And then bottom, of course, you have your dislike sort of a rating system. So, right next to it, you see there's 333. That means there's 333 positive reviews for this guy. Also, they also work on a star-based system as well. So, kind of like how Amazon has a 5-star, 4-star, 3-star type review. they also do that here, which I personally like better because I don't think everything's always all good or all bad. Now, let's take a look at the promotional offers next. So over on the solo deal screen, it's much like the last screen we looked at. The big difference is you'll see the kind of discounts they have on the right hand side and how many orders they have. You can additionally click on any one of their profiles and they'll give you a much more detailed list of what they can provide for you. Now, let's say you found a solo seller that you really, really, really want to buy from, and you're like, this is the guy that, or girl or whoever, this is it. So you'll come up to a screen that goes kind of like this, where you have like the scroll bar, and you can pick how many clicks you want to buy from them. It'll probably be anywhere from 1 to 1,000. And then see where it says top tier right underneath? That is the one that I was talking about earlier, where if they don't have like, at least like 90% top tier, 95% top tier, you're going to want to click that. Again, it's going to cost a little bit more, but it's going to be worth it because you want your visitors to be able to understand your content that you want to give them. And then right below that is just the link that you want to promote. That link should go straight to your landing page. Okay, and the last slide I want to show you is kind of when after your solo ad is, or while it's completing even, you can see the statistics of what's happening with your promotion. So they go, clicks by day. They can tell you where your clicks are coming from. They can tell you your bonus visitors up top. And so in this particular one, I received 334 visitors, 45 bonus visitors. And then you can go into even further detail to see invalid clicks, potential bot clicks, anything else like that. Again, I want to give you the discounts that I promised for at first. So here they are again. You're going to find these same links in the description on this video. Also, like I told you before, I wanted to give you my actual profile where it has all my recommendations, all the people that I use. You're able to save the people so you can keep coming back to them and use them over and over and over again. Again, don't forget to download this free report. It is super, super valuable. Trust that you guys will find great value in this. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day. And if you like this video and you like to learn more about affiliate marketing and making money online and all those awesome things that they're just great, right? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you found the content valuable, please share it. I certainly appreciate it. All right, everybody. Thanks and have an awesome, awesome time.